Miss Lee's Chemistry Academy, Lab 9, Determination of an Equilibrium Constant. Investigation. A student is given the task to determine the equilibrium constant for the reaction shown below. When aqueous solution of iron 3 nitrate and potassium thiocyanate are mixed, a complex ion is formed with a deep red color. Procedure. To begin this experiment, you need to prepare 4 solutions in 4 test tubes by pipetting the volumes indicated below. Equilibrium solutions in 4 test tubes. The equation is shown below for these test tubes. Procedure continued. Preparation of standard solution. Then prepare a standard solution by pipetting 18 milliliters of 0.2 molar iron 3 nitrate solution and 2 milliliters of 0.002 molar KSCN solution into a test tube. Mix well. Since the iron 3 nitrate is in great excess, the reaction goes to completion. KSCN is the limiting reactant. Procedure continued. Then, set the absorbance of the colorimeter at 450 nm and determine the absorbance values of solutions of test tubes 1 to 4 and of the standard solution. Data photo. This photo shows the absorbance obtained from the 4 test tubes and the standard. Data. This slide shows the absorbance of the 4 test tubes and the standard at equilibrium at 450 nm. Calculations. Beer's law states that absorbance is directly proportional to concentration. Because of this, the following equation can be derived. Then, you can use this calculations for the rest of the test tubes. Sample calculations of sample 1. Ice table. In the below ice table, the reaction is shown with the change in moles of each reactant and the product. The final results can be used in the equation derived from the previous slide. Calculated results. The Kc value can be calculated from each test tube, and these are the results. From these results, we can find an average and then calculate the percent error as shown below. Error analysis. Some errors that could have occurred include 1. If pipetting of solution volumes in test tubes 1 to 4 were inaccurate, lower concentration and absorbance of FeSCN2+ solution at equilibrium would be attained, leading to smaller Kc value calculated. 2. If a fingerprint was left on the cuvette containing the standard solution, a higher absorbance value would be obtained, leading to a smaller Kc value calculated. Conclusion. The average Kc value of 4 trials is determined as 128 with a 20.1% error.